Jai student, today we are going to discuss the calculation of national income by the income method. In the last video we discussed the component of the income method. So here are the data. We are taking another example of the calculation of national income by income method. That is the data are given. जो data given है, compensation of employee is 1200, net factor income from abroad minus 20. Net indirect tax 120, profit is 800, private final consumption expenditure 2000, net domestic capital formation is 770, compensation of fixed capital is 130, the rent of the fixed capital is 400, and the interest is 620. And the missed income of self-employed is 700. So we you know that about the component of the income method is compensations of employee, rent, interest, surplus budget, profit, undistributed profit, and mixed income of self-employed. So we can calculate by using that formula. So now we can calculate the national income by using that formula. So first we take the compensations of employee, it's given in that formula. Then we can minus the net factor income from abroad. Then we can see that under the surplus the profit is also given. After that we can see that the rent of the fixed capital, net domestic capital formation consumption of fixed capital, but we have to take the rent of the fixed capital, that is 400. Then we take the interest also 620, and at last the component in the income components at last given is mixed income of self-employed, that is 700. So after calculation or after calculating all these equation, मतलब इस इक्वेशन को कैलकुलेट करने के बाद हमें जो आंसर गिवन होगा वो 3700, that is the national income. So let's take another example for the calculation of income method by. Now we take the second example. In this we also same calculate the national income by using the income method. The data are given, that is private final consumption expenditure is 2000, net capital formation is 400, change in stock is 50, compensations of employee 1900, rent is 200, interest is 150, operating surplus is 720, net indirect tax is 400, net factor income from abroad is minus 20, and government final consumption expenditures is 600. Now we calculate the national income. We are known that the components of the income method. So in the calculation of national income, we include that here final data are private final consumption expenditure, net capital, to net capital formations and compensation change in stock and compensation of employee. So we take the compensation of employee, that is 1900 plus next rent is also given, interest is also given, but here we can see the operating surplus. So under this we only take the operating surplus, that is 720. And after that data given net indirect tax, net factor income from abroad, we also take net factor from abroad. and government of final consumption expenditure is also given. So we can see that only the three data we have taken, that is the compensation of employee, हमने compensation of employee को लिया, operating surplus लिया और net factor income from abroad लिया. So after calculating that we get the answers. We can add up 1900, 720, we get something 2620 and minus 20, that is 2600. So that is the answers of the national income by using the income method. So next class we discuss some more example and another method of calculating the national income. Thank you.